Hey everyone, welcome back to the Money Making Pals channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to make money online. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to earn $500 online using apps from the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Whether you're a seasoned side hustler or just starting out, this guide will show you multiple ways to turn your smartphone into a money-making machine. Ready to start earning? Before we get into it, don't skip any part of this video and stay until the end, as I always leave the best for last. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any money-making opportunity. Let's get into it. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why apps are such a great way to earn money. With over 3 million apps on Google Play and nearly 2 million on the Apple Store, there's an app for almost everything, including making money. Whether you want to earn through tasks, surveys, games, or investments, there are countless opportunities right at your fingertips. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your home, during your commute, or while you're on the go. First up, let's talk about survey and task apps. These are some of the easiest ways to start making money online using your smartphone. You won't get rich overnight, but these apps are perfect for earning a few extra bucks during your free time, and they add up quickly. Start by downloading some of the top survey apps like Swagbox, Google Opinion Rewards, and Survey Junkie. These apps pay you to share your opinions on a wide range of topics. All you need to do is answer questions honestly, and you'll earn points or cash rewards. Each survey can take anywhere from 2 to 20 minutes, and you can earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per survey. In addition to surveys, you can earn money by completing micro tasks on apps like Amazon Mechanical Turk, TaskRabbit, or Field Agent. These tasks can include anything from data entry and research to testing websites or running errands. While some tasks might not pay a lot, the more tasks that you complete, the more you can earn. And with some apps like TaskRabbit, you can even earn $20 to $50 per task, depending on the complexity and the time required. To maximize your earnings, sign up for multiple survey and task apps and check them regularly for new opportunities. Also, prioritize high-paying surveys and tasks to get the most out of your time. Remember, consistency is key. Set aside a specific time each day to complete surveys or tasks and watch your earnings grow. Once you've accumulated enough points or cash, it's time to redeem your rewards. Most apps offer various redemption options, including PayPal, gift cards, or direct deposit. Depending on how much time you invest, you can easily earn $100 to $200 a month just from these apps. Next up, let's talk about cashback and reward apps. If you're shopping online or in-store, why not get paid for it? Cashback apps let you earn a percentage of your spending back in the form of cash or points that can be redeemed for gift cards or other rewards. And here's how to get started. First, download some of the most popular cashback apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Dosh. These apps partner with retailers to give you a percentage of your purchase back as a reward. Rakuten, for example, offers up to 10% cashback on purchases from thousands of online stores. Ibotta gives you cashback on groceries and everyday items. And Dosh offers automatic cashback when you link your debit or credit card. Once you've downloaded the apps, link your debit or credit card to get started. Some apps like Dosh offer automatic cashback whenever you shop at participating retailers, while others, like Ibotta, require you to activate offers before making a purchase. Make sure to do this to ensure you get credit for your spending. Now, all you have to do is shop. Whether you're buying groceries, clothes, electronics, or booking travel, these apps will give you a percentage of your money back. The more you shop, the more you earn. And the best part? This is money you'd be spending anyway, so it's like getting free money just for making smart shopping choices. Once you've accumulated enough cash back, you can redeem it via PayPal, direct deposit, or gift cards to your favorite stores. With consistent use, you can easily earn $50 to $200 a month, adding up to $500 or more over time. Now let's take things to the next level by investing and saving apps. These apps allow you to grow your money passively by investing in stocks, ETFs, or even cryptocurrencies. While investing carries some risk, it can be one of the most rewarding ways to make money online. To get started, download some of the top investing apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Stash. Robinhood lets you trade stocks and ETFs without paying commissions, making it perfect for beginners. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change, while Stash allows you to invest small amounts in a curated selection of stocks and ETFs. Don't worry if you're not an investment expert. These apps make it easy to start small. With Acorns, you can start investing with as little as a few cents at a time. Stash also offers fractional shares, meaning you can buy a portion of a stock for as little as $5. The key is to start early and invest consistently. One of the best features of these apps is the ability to automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic contributions on Acorns or Stash so a portion of your paycheck goes directly into your investment account. Over time, your investments will grow, and so will your earnings. Keep an eye on your investments by regularly checking the app's dashboards. While it's important to be patient, investing is a long-term game. Watching your money grow can be incredibly rewarding. With smart investing, you can easily earn an additional $500 or more over time, depending on market performance and how much you invest. Who says you can't have fun while making money? Gaming apps that pay are a great way to earn cash while doing something you enjoy. These apps reward you for playing games, completing levels, and sometimes even just for downloading and trying out new games. Start by downloading popular game apps like Misplay, Luckstatic, and HQ Trivia. Misplay rewards you with points for playing games, which you can redeem for gift cards to Amazon, Google Play, and more. Luckstatic offers day scratch cards where you can win cash prizes, and HQ Trivia lets you win real money by answering trivia questions correctly. Once you've downloaded the apps, start playing. Misplay tracks your gaming activity and rewards you with points the more you play. These points can be exchanged for gift cards or even PayPal cash. With Luckstatic, you can win instant cash prizes by playing scratch card games, and with HQ Trivia, you can participate in live trivia games for a chance to win cash prizes. To maximize your earnings, focus on games and apps that offer the highest rewards. Some games and Misplay offer more points per minute played, so choose wisely. Participate in daily and weekly challenges to earn bonuses and increase your chances to winning bigger prizes. Remember, the more you play, the more you can earn. Once you've accumulated enough points or winnings, redeem them for gift cards or PayPal cash. With consistent gameplay, it's possible to earn an extra $50 to $100 a month, which can add up to $500 or more over time. Finally, let's talk about how you can earn money by creating and selling your own apps or digital content. This method requires more upfront work, but can be incredibly lucrative once your product is out there. If you have programming skills or are willing to learn, creating your own app can be a great way to earn money. You don't need to build the next Instagram. Simple apps that solve everyday problems or provide entertainment can do well. Use platforms like Appify or Buildfire to create an app without any coding knowledge, or dive into coding with free resources like Codecademy or Coursera. Once your app is ready, it's time to monetize it. There are several ways to do this. You can integrate ads using networks like AdMob, offer in-app purchases, or charge for a premium version of the app. Subscriptions are another way to generate recurring revenue. The more downloads and active users you have, the more money you can make. Promotion is key to your app's success. Use social media, blogs, and forums to spread the word about your app. Consider investing in App Store Optimization, or ASO, to make your app more discoverable in the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. The better your promotion, the more downloads you'll get, and the more money you can earn. If app development isn't your thing, consider creating and selling digital content like ebooks, online courses, or digital art. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, and Etsy make it easy to sell your content to a global audience. Just like with apps, the key to success is creating high-quality content that meets a specific needs or solves a problem. To scale your earnings, consider creating multiple apps or expanding your digital content library. The more products you have, the more opportunities that you have to earn. And as you gain experience, you can refine your process to create even more profitable products. With time and effort, you can easily earn $500 or more from selling your own apps and content. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to earn $500 online using Google Play and Apple Store apps. Whether you're taking surveys, playing games, investing, or creating your own content, the opportunities are endless. Remember, the key to success is consistency, creativity, and smart choices. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these apps and watch your earnings grow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these methods or if you have any other app recommendations. We'll see you in the next video.